ChatGPT's new agent mode makes it easy to set up and configure CData Connect Cloud just by asking ChatGPT to do it. So in this example, we're asking ChatGPT to log in and set up a Sage Intacct connection for me with my credentials. I gave it my company ID, username, and password, and ChatGPT went ahead, went into Connect Cloud, found the Sage Intacct connector, and added the credentials in the right place, asking me to save and test when it was ready. For me, this entire process took about 2.5 minutes total, including ChatGPT pausing to ask me to log into my Connect Cloud account, and ChatGPT learning the platform and figuring out where it would need to put in credentials and any other prerequisites the connector would need. Next, I asked ChatGPT to create a specific dataset from a data table available in Sage Intacct called GL account balance from my general ledgers. ChatGPT went ahead and found the right place in Connect Cloud to explore and build datasets, went to my new Sage Intacct connection, found the GL account balance table, and went ahead and queried that data so that we could save it as its own view in Connect Cloud. The entire time I was able to supervise and watch ChatGPT as it did this, with the ability to pause or take control at any point. And the result was ChatGPT setting up my data connection, finding the data in the Data Explorer, building the dataset, and saving it for me to use wherever I would like. The possibilities with ChatGPT-Agent are really endless. Now you can have it set up an integrated source system, such as spreadsheets, BI and analytics platforms, and more, and even build those reports for you in those platforms with the newly added data to Connect Cloud, which we keep live and fresh for you whenever you want to access it. Try it out for yourself today with a free 14-day trial and get started in minutes with ChatGPT helping you get set up.